Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting permissions and hardware ready. Sign into the Facebook account with admin access to the page or the profile you'll stream from, and grant camera and microphone rights to the app or browser. Once done, open the live interface and choose whether you're streaming to a profile, page, group, or event. Make sure privacy settings are set to public or the intended audience. Then run a short 10-15 second test recording to confirm audio and video levels before you move forward. Next, you connect an encoder and arrange visual sources. Install OBS or Streamlabs and add your camera, optional screen share, and any overlay graphics as scenes. Then set your output resolution, 1280 x 720 for stable networks or 1920 x 1080 for higher quality, and choose a bitrate between 2500 and 6000 kbps depending on upload speed. Make keyframe interval 2 seconds. Also, route your microphone. Now you launch the stream and monitor performance. Paste the stream key into your encoder or click Go Live from Facebook Live Producer, then wait for the preview and hit Start Streaming. Keep an eye on stream health metrics and viewer comments, and watch audio/video sync in the preview. When you wrap, end the stream in both encoder and Facebook. The recording will save to the page or profile. If you encounter issues, restart the encoder, lower bitrate, or switch to wired Ethernet. This often fixes dropped frames and buffering quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.